Sa?
Ano yan?
Yee! Kamari pa.
What's this?
I don't know.
Hindi, for today's video, actually mag-unbox tayo ng in-order ko sa Shopee. Okay, story time. For you to know na I ordered something on Shopee kasi si Sasa or si Hazel Ray, she's with honors sa school niya, with may mga na-achieve pa siyang ibang mga awards. So, as Titos of Manila, I will give her something, yeah, a reward or a treat na parati yung sinasabi sa akin. Sa mga bata ngayon, they love, like, kung alam nyo lang, kung di Roblox, yung mga laro, o yung Robux, parang yung credit sa Roblox. At the same time, alam mo yung mga fidgets, yung mga ganun. So, I have something for her. And sana matuwa siya dito. Pati niya akong kinukulit doon, pero we always ask them na parang kailangan, hindi naman kailangan perfect or kailangan you achieve something para mag-study more sila and hard sila. Lalo na ngayon, online study. And nakakatuwa, kahit online classes, may na-achieve pa rin yung mga pamangkin ko. Hindi lang kay Sasa, pati kay Jabez and kay Ethan, lahat sila I do give them reward every time they achieve something sa school. So I think ganun kasi sila papa at si mama sa amin. So and sana magustuhan niyo to. Hindi niya alam na nandito na. Parang we waited for this like almost a week or more than a week kasi galing pa siyang China daw. Ewan ko. So yun, sana magustuhan niyo to. And without further ado, tatawagin ko na siya. Wait lang. Sa?
Ano yan?
Yee! Kamari pa.
What's this?
I don't know. Double.
Wait.
Wow! Yay! No way.
So there, nakita niyo naman yung yung sit ko babe. So there, nakita niyo may reaction ni Sasa na she really loved this one. I mean, what you call this one? Fidgets? Yeah.
Toy?
Yeah, fidget toys. And yeah, the reason why, Sasa, I just wanna commend you or to congratulate you for doing good sa school. Very good. Matutuwa sila tito. And of course, si mama at papa mo. Sige naman. And as your tito, I want you to reward these fidgets. So let's just open it one by one. So you ordered this in Shopee. Hindi ko na napakita sa video pero she ordered this on Shopee na gustong-gusto niya talaga. Though medyo mahal siya, isa-isa kasi galing nga siya China. So talagang inantay namin ito na matagal. So this one, show to them. Buksan mo. Open it.
Okay, we're gonna open this. We're not gonna open this because this is for my cousin. So I'm gonna open this. Let's open this. Okay, there you go. Oh my god. Oh.
This one is...
The quiet side and this one is the loudest.
Oh, merong ganun. Quiet
Yes.
side and the loudest. So this one is the quiet.
Yes.
So if you're gonna be turning this one into this...
That's the loud side.
Oh, I see that. This is a unicorn fidget. So that one is...
So let's go open this one. Oh my god.
So I remember I already bought her this one, but like this one, pero nawala siya sa Quezon. Hindi namin alam kung saan namin nailagay.
This is the quiet side and this is the loudest side.
Oh, nice. So make sure to take this care,
Yep.
kasi it's not
Now we're gonna open this simple dimple.
simple dimple. Tawag dyan simple dimple?
Yes. Whoa.
This is a keychain.
Like this is like a keychain. Yeah, I love this one. This is the quiet side. Oh my god, this is the quiet side and this is the loudest side.
Oh.
Let's have like that. So So we have the keychain, so we're gonna put it on there.
Saan mo nalagay ito? Like,
Yes, in the bag, like. And this is the like quiet side, and this is the loudest side.
oh,
Yeah.
nice.
So first we're gonna open this too. This mini pop it. Yeah. We open this. It's like kind of cool. So this is the quiet side, I think. Yeah, this is the quiet side, and this is the loudest side.
That's nice.
And this is the
Last
pink one. It's this pink one. Oh my god, it's hard. This is like cute.
Also
it's
a
like
keychain.
for a keychain. This is the quiet side, and this is the loudest side.
Nice. And
And
the last
this is
one
is the mask.
for the mask.
Oh my god.
Kasi, di ba, if I have parang sabit sa mask ko, tapos sabi niya gusto niya rin daw. And her favorite color is purple. So, let's just try this to your mask. And meron siyang
Yeah. Yeah, that's so cute because it's have like this.
Let's try this.
Let's try. Come on, quickly. Now we're just gonna put this on there and.
Where's your mask? Like, this is not your mask, right? Alright, so we finished this one. So, nagustuhan mo naman sa.
Yeah.
Ano
That's
sabihin mo
hard
sa
one.
akin?
Thank you.
Kiss mo ako. You're welcome. Mag-study pa ng maayos.
Okay, this is for.
You have a long way run though sa study.
This is for my cousin Ian, so I'm just gonna.
Yeah, we ordered actually extra for Ethan. So this is for Ethan. So
And
you
this
can
is
call
my
him.
favorite one.
You can call him. Go
John.
ahead.
Okay,
You can call
I'm
him.
gonna call him.
Sure. So I really do love, sabi ko nga kanina sa intro, na ganito sa bahay ever since like si Papa, yung bata pa kami. Parating na kami binibigyan ng like, masaya na kami before sa Jollibee, McDonald's, or labas na kami. Basta meron kaming kind of high grades. Sorry, kalat ng kama. So, yun lang naman. So, we will wait for Ethan. Pasensya na kasi medyo maarte yung pamangkin ko. Talagang nag-English yun. Kahit siya lang mag-isa. Nauubusan na nga na ako minsan. At ganun yung mga bata. Anyhow. And shout out kay Gabe at saka kay Jabez. Papadalag ko na lang din kayo ng ganda. I know na gusto niya rin. So, nakakatuwa rin naman tingnan. They call this Fidgets. Parang goma lang siya na bilog-bilog. Yeah, where's Ethan?
Asleep.
Oh, he's asleep. So, no worries. So
we're gonna reset this. So like.
oh, bibigyan na lang natin ito kay Ethan later. So, that's it.
I will post this on my TikTok. So
Yeah.
check out, and it's just.
You can follow her on her TikTok account kasi niya talagang mag TikTok famous. So follow her. So yes, post this on TikTok. So I think that's it.
I'm gonna post this for giveaway and Ethan.
So I think that's it. Thank you for watching another vlog for me, and hope na support nyo kami. Siguro kaya minsan parating mabahay lang kasi bawal nga lumabas. If I could have time or everything is fine or okay, I think we will go travel vlog, no? Like we went to Boracay before, no? Sana nag-vlog na tayo na dati, no? Anyhow, that's it for today. Maraming salamat and see you next time. Say bye.
Bye.
So what you could say like, please subscribe.
Please subscribe and comment down below.
Yes, comment down below for our other videos that we can
Click
make.
the bell.
Yeah,
for
notification
more
bell.
notification.
Yeah, thank you and gracias. Bye-bye.